So we're currently up a solid $3,200 on the fundeds, and I'm just gonna hold this to all-time lows. To be honest, no, I'm just kidding. This is the $10,000 challenge through my funded futures that they put out, and I was down like $2,000 yesterday. So I'm really holding it until here, and hopefully we can get that. That'd be cool. I think that's. I don't even know. I have nothing. I literally just said, let me just go ahead and take a short because I know it's gonna dump at market open. Let's see, what's our profit gonna be? $6,000. That's cool. So yeah, that'd be cool. Anyways, let's get to the other accounts. And as you can see by the title of the video, we did make about $270 today, which is exactly what I'm looking for, what I've been looking for all week and last week, but we got fried last week. Okay, so let's get into it. So we had this 15-minute up here, and we rejected very hard off of it. I expected that. I expected just to dump. One, because I saw my little Alexa Delio in the kitchen that Trump announced that he's going to stop military funding for Ukraine. And yeah, so I figured we were just going to dump all day. And based on like the past week, you know, we dump about 100 points every morning. And same thing happened today, sometimes 300 points. So we had this other 15-minute down here that we created as well. And we just kept rejecting off of that also. So originally I was looking to take a short here, or yeah, a short like right here, but we never got like an optimal entry in my opinion. There was maybe this one, but the only inverse was like way down here, and I was just like not wanting to take that. I don't think we had an SMT here. We had nothing else. There was an order block here that I wanted this to tap and then go down, and I was at that point like, if I'm using order blocks, I feel like I'm low-key forcing something because my strategy is pretty much just fair value gaps from a higher time frame rejection. So that's that 15-minute. What else? A higher time frame fair value gap rejection, SMT, and then a low time frame fair value gap inverse to a high time frame fair value gap tap. This one was interesting though, and I'll explain in a second. So we made this 15-minute right here, this like tiny 15-minute that I was waiting here for it to tap, and then I was looking for like a 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute short to go short, I guess, or fair value gap to go short. Finally got it. We tapped it. We actually went through it and then went down. So I was a little hesitant there, but then we made this 3 minute right here that just got rejected like 40 times. It was kind of crazy. It was kind of scary as well. So originally I don't know if I FOMO entered, forced the entry. There was a 1 minute right here that I did enter. No, sorry. This 1 minute right here that I entered on, and we almost hit stop loss like almost instantly. And I was waiting for this 3 minute to get inversed. And that was a big risk, I guess. That was kind of stupid, which I should not do that again. Don't do that if you're trying to follow what I do for trading. But yeah, so once we inverse the 3 minute, I figured that's kind of what all of the people that use the same concept as me. But yeah, so then I added one more contract at the 3 minute because that would make my risk a total of like $260. Yeah, $262 if it hit full stop loss. And then as we kept going down and rejecting like right here, I did end up moving mine to this high to make it like 218. And then as we kept going down, no. Actually, I think the last time I moved it down was this candle. I was originally, after we hit this low right here, I was originally going to move my stop loss to break even just to go completely risk free. And then, oh no, sorry, I was out here. So yeah, I was gonna move my stop loss to go completely risk free here, but I moved it on TradingView instead of Trade-Avate, and I realized that it literally only changed for one account. Almost hit stop loss, so I moved it back up real quick, and then we were in drawdown a little bit here. So I guess I got really lucky on that, and I should probably not be so crazy when moving stop losses. I think like, to be honest, I feel like the reason that I moved it like that and moved it all around is because I've taken so many losses in the past like week that I just wanted to, you know, minimize my risk, but luckily I didn't do that. Let's see. So I'm pretty sure all of last week was red. Yesterday was red too for $1. But yeah, almost all of last week except for Tuesday, we made $189. But other than that, we lost about like 500, which is not fun. So anyways, getting back into it, yeah, there was an SMT at the high right here that I don't have marked out for some reason. This one right here, so it's the 901 candle. 901. NQ did take it right there. There's the SMT. And then I got in off that 1 minute that I said earlier, and then the 3 minute, once that inverse, I had another contract to make the full risk about $260. Move stop down to here once we dumped a little bit, and then after we came back up and I had that mistake of putting my stop here at break even after this candle right here. What was I gonna say? We put it here. I ended up putting it here at the end to make the full risk $102. So I think I definitely should have waited to put my break even once we hit this low, because these lows, I mean, the inverse is right here, so there's really not a point of putting it at these lows. Moving to break even, plus here would be a solid 1 to basically 1 to 1. So I'm thinking what I need to start doing is, if I want to move my stop loss to break even, it's got to be like a 1 to 1. But what is kind of crazy is I was originally targeting this low right here. I thought it was just going to run right through it, just keep dumping throughout the day. And I was going to take one off here and then just let it keep going. But then I was like, I can't make more than 40% or whatever. Yeah, 40% on the my funded futures fundeds. So this was, let me see, 2 contracts at break even right there. It was about $260. So that's where I got out. I what am I trying to say? Only one of them sold because I had one limit here, and then we dumped a little bit more, and I just spammed the exit market sell all order button because I needed to get out. So we made about $270 instead. Other than that, that's about it. We can do the verse of the day. Before I start, join the Discord. It's in the description. Join SPS. It's also in the description. Use my link. That'd be great. Good guys. It's $25 a month. Can't really go wrong. And we actually just hit 70. Why am I so down here? We actually just hit 70 members in the Discord, which is kind of cool. That's awesome. If you do join, you'll see that nobody really talks that much except for me and LM Trade. But yeah, come hang out, come talk. We need more people to be talking in there. That'd be fun. And we're blurry. So let's do the verse today. Let's get it. Pull it up real quick. Really? Whatever. Oh, it's a short one. So Hebrews 13:8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. I don't know. Just think about it for yourself. I'll give you a second. What I get from that is The way that he loved you and respected you and helped you yesterday is going to be the exact same as today and the exact same tomorrow. And it's always going to be a forever love from Jesus Christ. And if you repent for your sins and talk to him, he's going to always be there for you like a best friend, walk you through life and everything like that. So yeah, that's pretty simple, very short one. Love it. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the one tomorrow. Finally, we got a good video out for decent amount of profit. I am taking this on 3 accounts. So what is that? 270 times 3. That's pretty surreal. That's $810 in a day. That's just insane. Unfortunately, it's not payouts yet, but we're getting there. We're making our way back up. I believe, what are we at? So we're less than 1,000 on this account, less than 1,000 on this account, and less than 1,000 on this account. That makes me feel so much better about where we're at because max drawdown is, where is it? Minimum account balance is 47,860, and we got to try and get to 2,600 in profit. So we need to get to 52,600 before I can take a payout. That's actually not true. I can take a payout realistically once I'm in profit after 5 days, but it can't be 40% more gain. But the smartest thing to do that I've heard is just go for the total, the total max profit, and then take your $1,200 payout across 3 accounts, and you'll be really set, really good with buffers and all that kind of stuff. And then you can just keep $1,200, take it out, work back up to 1,200, take it out, work back up to 1,200, take it out. And yeah, I'm hoping that we can get to that soon. That would be really awesome. But the only thing that sucks is that I really can't make more than $250 a day. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you're still here, this was a super long video for some reason. Hopefully tomorrow is better. Let's check the news because I'm already wasting a bunch of time anyways. We got PMI tomorrow, 15 minutes after market open, and then again at 9 a.m. So that'll be fun. And NFE, I don't think that, well, yeah, it's at 7:15. So yeah, we're fine. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good luck if you're trading for the rest of the day. I am out for the day. I have a lot of stuff to do. And yeah, bye.